Hello everyone. In the previous AutoKeras video, I showed you how you can create an amazing deep learning model for a classification task. Let me go forward and show you how you can create amazing deep learning models for a regression based task as well. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. But hey, hold on. It would be really motivating if you can press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to be notified for amazing videos on data science and machine learning. With that, let's kickstart the video by installing Keras Tuner and AutoKeras. Now that the installation is complete, let's go forward and import the necessary modules. I have a simple file called as data.csv which I'll load into my data frame df, and I'll quickly show you the first 5 rows of this data frame. As you can clearly see, my data frame has 4 columns: TV, radio, newspaper and sales. My last column, which is the sales column, is the target column. So using the 3 feature columns, that is TV, radio and newspaper, I want to predict the value of the final column, which is my sales column. If you look at the values of the sales column, all of them are continuous in nature. It doesn't have discrete values like 0, 1 or something of that sort. So it's clearly a regression problem that I'm trying to solve. Let me go forward and show you a scatter plot between TV and sales column. So let me run this cell. So as you can clearly see, as your number increases in terms of TV, your sales also go up. So there is a direct linear relationship between TV column and the sales column. Let me go forward and carry out this activity for radio as well as sales column. So let me run the cell. So this is the plot between sales and radio. There is somewhat a linear relationship, not as direct as we saw previously, but as you keep increasing the values of radio, you will have the overall sales go up as well. Now the final combination is the newspaper and the sales column. So let me run the cell. So as you can clearly see, there is no specific pattern with respect to newspaper and sales. So this was my attempt in explaining some relationship that might exist in the columns. So now let's go forward to the model building activity. So in order to create the most optimum AutoKeras model, first I'll have to separate out X and Y, which is what I've achieved using this piece of code. Now that I've separated X and Y from my data frame, the next step is to separate out data into training and testing set. So let me run the cell. Now finally we have reached a stage where we will see magic unfold using AutoKeras. So I create an instance of the structured data regressor class. I pass in variables like max trials, which is the total number of deep learning models that I want to create for this data set. And the metric that I want to optimize in this given regression problem is mean absolute error. So let me run the cell. Now that we've created an instance of the structured data regressor and saved that into a variable called as search, let's go forward and train 15 deep learning models by passing in the xtrain and ytrain values. So let me run the cell. So finally the model training is complete. Let's go forward and evaluate how the model performs on the training dataset. So as you can clearly see, it gives a very small mean absolute error on the training dataset that we had. Let me also go forward and check the mean absolute error on the testing dataset. So let me run this cell. As you can clearly see, the mean absolute error in case of the testing dataset is also very less. One thing that I can clearly infer from the activity that I carried out is AutoKeras is very powerful. I fed in some sample dataset and it was able to generate a really accurate model for me. So this is a small demo that I had in mind in terms of explaining how you can utilize AutoKeras for regression tasks. I hope you found this video informative. If you do like the content that I post on my channel, it would be really motivating if you can press the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to be notified for amazing videos on data science and machine learning. Thank you so much for watching this video.